ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ಪ್ರಸನ್ನ ಮಯ್ಯ, ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ PU ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಬೈಂದೂರು, ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಲೆಕ್ಚರರ್. ಉಡುಪಿ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಪಂಚಾಯತ್ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ನಡೆಯುವಂತಹ ಈ ಒಂದು ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ CET ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಟುಡೇ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ CET ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಪೇಪರ್. We'll discuss one by one. Here, first questions. The maximum number of equivalence relations. So we know we learn types of relations: reflexive, symmetric, transitive. Correct? What is meant by reflexive relations? Here we discuss relation on a set A. Relation on a set means relation from A to A. Correct? So what is a relation on a set A? When it is a reflexive means every ordered pair A comma A belongs to R for every elements, not only a single element, for every elements A belongs to set A. So set A ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದು ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇರ್ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, A ಇರಬೇಕು. This is for reflexive. What is meant by symmetric? If ordered pair AB is there in the relation, then BA must be occurs. Correct? So if ordered pair AB belongs to R, then BA belongs to R. For every A and B belongs to set A, then the relation is symmetric. What is meant by transitive? Ordered pair if AB belongs to R and BC belongs to R, then AC belongs to R. Correct? If ordered pair AB and BC are there, then AC must be occurs. So then only for every ABC belongs to set. Correct? So then only relation is transitive. If a relation reflexive, symmetric and transitive, then that relation is equivalence relation. Correct? So ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಹೀಗೂ ಬರೀಬಹುದು: A is related to B and B is related to C, then A is related to C. That is nothing but AB BC belongs to R, then ordered pair AC belongs to R. So this is the definition of reflexive, correct, symmetric and transitive. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ maximum number of equivalence relation on set A 1 2 3. So relation ಈಗ equivalence ಆಗಬೇಕಿದೆ. Equivalence means it should be reflexive, symmetric and transitive. ಈಗ ಇದು reflexive ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? For every for every A belongs to set A, ordered pair AA must be occurs. So here 1 comma 1, then 2 comma 2 and 3 comma 3. This is the initial, correct, initial conditions. Means these three ordered pair must be occurs, then only equivalence. Means first it should be reflexive. Correct? So ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 1 1 2 2 3 3 ಇರಬೇಕು. So this is identity relation, also very good example for equivalence relation. This is first one. Correct? ಇದು ಒಂದು equivalence relation. Next one here 1 1. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ equivalence ಗೆ ಈ ಮೂರು ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇರ್ ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? 1 1 2 2 next 3 3. Then take next ordered pairs 1 2. Suppose if 1 2 ordered pair 1 comma 2 is there, then this is not equivalence, because if 1 2 is there, reflexive, transitive but not symmetric, because if 1 2 is there, then 2 1 must be occurs, then only this relation becomes symmetric, then hence it is equivalence. But ಈಗ ಇದೊಂದೇ ಆರ್ಡರ್ಡ್ ಪೇರ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ we have to take two distinct ordered pairs, two different ordered pairs like this, then this one becomes reflexive, symmetric, transitive. Correct? Then only this is equivalence relation. Like this, two more relations we can write, correct? So two distinct ordered pairs. Then one is R3, same 1 comma 1, next 2 comma 2, next 3 comma 3, next 1 3 3 1, next one R4 1 comma 1, next 2 comma 2, next 3 comma 3, next 2 comma 3, next 3 comma 2. So these three here are 5 ordered pairs. So this identity remaining two distinct ordered pairs. So R2, R3, R4 are equivalence, reflexive, symmetric, transitive equivalence relations. Next R5 for equivalence 1 1, 2 2 and 3 3 must be occurs. Then here we have taken two ordered pairs. Next 1 comma 2, next 2 comma 1. Then take one more ordered pair 1 comma 2 to 1 comma 3. Suppose if 1 comma 3 only occurs, then this is reflexive but not symmetric. For symmetric 3 1 must be occurs. Suppose only 1 comma 2 2 comma 1 1 comma 3 and 3 comma 1 reflexive, symmetric. Is it is transitive? Check it. Transitive, take 1 2 1 and 1 3. What is the 2 1 and 1 2 1 and 1 3 belongs to our 2 3 must be occurs. So if this much ordered pairs are there, this relation is not reflexive, symmetric but not transitive. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಈಕ್ವಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಇರಬೇಕು? 2 3 ಇರಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ 2 3 ಒಂದೇ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಸಿಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, 3 2 ಇರಬೇಕು. Correct? Like this. So this is last equivalence relation R5. This is A cross A universal relation. Correct? Last one is, this is nothing but A cross A. Set A only 3 elements. Then A cross A is 3 into 3, 9 ordered pairs. Correct? So 9 ordered pairs. This is A cross A. So total we get the smallest equivalence. This is smallest equivalence relation. ಕೇಳಬಹುದು, ಹೀಗೂ ಕೇಳಬಹುದು. Set A 1 2 3. The smallest equivalence relation is this one 1 1 2. The number of elements in the smallest equivalence relation. So if n of A equal to 3 elements, then the smallest equivalence relation is 1 1 2 2 3. Number of elements in the smallest equivalence relation, that set containing 3 elements, number of elements in the smallest equivalence relation is also 3. If set containing m elements, then number of elements in the smallest equivalence relation is also m. So this is first one. Next, two ordered pairs, two distinct elements taken like this, 1 2 2 1, 1 3 3 1. Last one is equivalence relation. This is universal relation. So total 5 equivalence relation on set A 1 2 3. So ಇದನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Bell's triangle ಅಲ್ಲಿ first write this 1, then this is in first row, then in second row write this element 1, then add these two, 1 plus 1 2. This is last element in second row. Then write third row. So writing third row, first element is last element of second row 2, then add these two, 2 plus 1 is 3, then 3 plus 2 is 5. This is last element in the third row. Then to write the fourth row, write last element is 5 of third row. Then add these two, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. Then writing next row, right, fifth row, right, last element of fourth row 15, then 15 plus 5 20, 20 plus 7 is 27, 27 plus 10 is 37, 37 plus 15 is 52, like this. So here If set containing one element, number of equivalence relation is 1. If set containing two elements, then number of set containing three elements, then number of equivalence relation. Set containing three elements, number of equivalence relation is 5. If set containing four elements, number of equivalence relation is 15. Set containing five elements, number of equivalence relation is 52. Like this is by Bell's triangle. So ಈ ರೀತಿ ನಾವು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಬಹುದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್, ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಸಿವ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ ಈಗ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೀಗ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, ಇದೊಂದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಫಾರ್ CET, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಸ್, suppose set containing m elements, then number of relations, we know what is relation from set A, relation from set A to set B is a relation, is a subset of A cross B, correct? Relation is a subset of A cross B is equal to number of subsets in A cross B, that is 2 to the power n of A cross B. So this much of relations possible, means this much of subsets in A cross B. Here, if suppose set containing m elements, then number of relation is 2 to the power n of A cross A. This is equal to 2 to the power m cross m or m square. So this much of relations possible. So here three elements, then number of possible relations is 2 to the power 3 cross 3, 2 to the power not 6, 2 to the power 9. Among these, among how many are reflexive relations? So for reflexive, for CET, memorize this result. For reflexive, number of this much of relations possible, illi number of relations 2 to the power m square. Then number of, among which number of reflexive relations 2 to the power m square minus m. Number of reflexive relations. Number of transitive number of symmetric relation is 2 to the power m into m plus 1 by 2. So there is no formula for transitive. So this much of relations 2 to the power m square on a set A, set containing m elements, then a reflexive is 2 to the power m square minus m, then number of symmetric relations 2 to the power m into m plus 1 by 2. Correct? Next question. So this is answer. Next one. A function f from the set of natural numbers to integers defined by f of n equal to n minus 1 by 2 when n is odd, minus n by 2 when n is even. So idu 1 1 1 1 andre nimge gottide. What is meant by 1 1 function? When function f from A to B or A to A, when this is 1 1 function, different, this is called domain set, this is codomain. Correct? 1 1 function andre ಏನು ಆಗಬೇಕು? Every elements, different elements in the domain set have different images in codomain, means f of x1 equal to f of x2. This implies x1 is equal to x2 for every x1 and x2 belongs to set. Correct? This is not only for two elements. If two different elements x1 x2 have same image, then they must be equal. So this is the definition of 1 1 function. Correct? What is meant by onto? Onto is this codomain is equal to range. Codomain is equal to range, means every elements in the codomain set have at least one pre-image in domain set. So in the function y equal to f of x, Here, set of values of x belongs to a called domain, and corresponding value of f of x or y called range or image set. Correct? So y equal to this range or image set is a subset of codomain. If range or image set is equal to codomain, then that function is onto. Here ಇದೀಗ one function. First write the, we can easily write the images. So here when n is illi function illinda ellige function defined from f from set of natural numbers to integers. Correct? So function from n to z. one ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, different natural numbers have different images. If different natural numbers have different image, then function is 1 and when it is on to codomain is equal to integers range here codomain is set, that is equal to range or image set, then function is on to. We can write the images. See here, when n is odd, n means natural number, this n belongs to natural number, n is odd. When n is odd, when n equal to put n equal to 1, we get 0. Correct? When n equal to, right, for odd integers, each odd natural numbers having image n minus 1 by 2 and each even natural numbers having image minus n by 2. When n equal to 1, n equal to 1, 0. n equal to 3, what is image of 3? What is f of 3? f of 3, 3 minus 1 by 2, 2 by 2, 1. So this is image of 3 is 1. Write the images of odd natural number 0, 1. When n equal to 5, 5 minus 1 by 2, 4 by 2, 2. Correct? 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Correct? For even natural numbers, what are even natural numbers? 2, 4, correct? Natural numbers, not 0. 2, when n equal to 2, 2 by 2 minus 1. When n equal to 4, minus 4 by 2 minus 2. Correct? Minus 1. Image of 2 is minus 1. Image of for each even natural numbers image minus n by 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Correct? For 6, minus 6 by 2 is minus 3, etc. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ, this is range or image set. Correct? Even natural numbers image are minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Odd natural numbers image are 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. So here clearly different natural numbers have different images. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು natural number is ಇದು different natural numbers image ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಸೇಮ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ಯಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. So different natural numbers have different images. So function is 1 and what is what about on to? ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ರೇಂಜ್, ಇದು ರೇಂಜ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಇದೆರಡನ್ನು ಕಂಬೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ರೇಂಜ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಡ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಮೇಜ್, ಈವನ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಮೇಜ್. ಟೋಟಲ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ ಈಸ್ whole number plus negative integer or positive integer with 0, negative integers. Combining these two, we get integers. This is range or image set, that is equal to codomain. So this function is, nodi, when n is even, when n is odd, so different natural numbers have different images, thus f is 1 and the range is 0, plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, etc. This is equal to codomain z. So f from n to z is both 1 and on to. Answer is B. Next one. Third question. Number of binary operations that can be defined on a set of 2 elements. So this question is there in your textbook. In the first chapter, last miscellaneous questions. ನಾನು ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪಲ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್, multiple choice. At the end of some are there in miscellaneous or in exercise, miscellaneous exercise or in exercise, and some others in exemplar book. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ನಿಮ್ಮ exemplar book ಇದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇನೆ. The number of binary what is meant by binary operations? When star is binary operation on a non-empty set A, star is a binary operation is a function, correct? Binary operation is function from A cross A to A, correct? So star is a function from A cross A to A for every ordered pair A comma B assigns to unique element A star B for every A and B belongs to set A, then operation star is called binary operations. ಈಗ ಸೊ ಬೈನರಿ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಬೈನರಿ ಆಪರೇಷನ್. ಸೊ ಸೆಟ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಕಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್ 2 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ದೆನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, suppose this set A, this is set B, f is a function from A to B. Set A contains 1 2 3, here B, A B C D. How many functions? Set A 3 elements, set B 4 elements. How many functions are possible? What is meant by function? F is a function from A to B if every elements of set A assigns to mapping to one and only one element, unique element on set B. A ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟಿಗೂ ಯುನಿಕ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ B ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, then only F is called function, correct? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಸಪೋಸ್ one assigns to one mapping to either A or B or C or D. For one, how many possibilities? 4 possibilities. So here 1 assigns to, suppose if 1 mapping with A, and then come to 2. So 2 ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು? 2 may be mapping to not only for B C D, 2 may be mapping to A, because this is function. ನೀವು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ, f of x is equal to k is called constant function, correct? ಸೊ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲದರ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಒಂದು ಕೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? ಎವ್ರಿ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಎ ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಟು assigns to one and only one element of set B ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯುನಿಕ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ and 2 or more elements of set A may be assigns to same element of set B, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗ 1 1 2B 3C, this is one function. Similarly, like this, this is another function, but 2 and 3 have same image. But this is not function because 3 has no image. So ಇದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೌದು, ಇದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೌದು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಮತ್ತು 3 ಯುನಿಕ್ ಇಮೇಜ್, ಬಟ್ 2 and 3 have ಸೇಮ್ ಇಮೇಜ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಇದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಗೆ ಇಮೇಜೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, this is also function 1 2 3 mapping to C. So 1 2 3 image ಒಂದೇ ಇದೆ ಇರಬಹುದು in constant function. Next one, here suppose ಇಲ್ಲಿಗ suppose 1 assigns to A, 2 to B, 3 to C, 3 to D. This is not function because 3 has 2 image, C and D, 3 has no unique image. So ಇದು function ಅಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೌದು, ಇದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೌದು, ಇದಲ್ಲ ಇದಲ್ಲ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? ಸೊ one assigns to, for one how many possibilities? 4 possibilities. One mapping to either A or B or C B. Then 2 assigns to either A or B or C or D. Suppose for 2 also 4 possibilities. Come to 3 also 4 possibilities. This is 4 to the power 3. 4 means number of elements in B is n of B is 4, n of A is 3. So number of functions 4 to the power 3. Similarly, how many on, so if n of A is equal to m elements, n of B is equal to n elements, then number of functions, important, number of functions n to the power m. Correct? N to the power m, that is n of B whole to the power n of A. This much of functions possible. So ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಒಂದೊಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಒನ್ನಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ? ಒನ್ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು? ಮೇ ಬಿ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಆರ್ ಡಿ. ಫಾರ್ ಒನ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟೀಸ್? 4. ಒನ್ನಿಗೆ 4 ಪಾಸಿಬಿಲಿಟಿ. Then suppose 1 assigns to A, then come to 2 ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಈಗ? In function 2 may be assigns to A but in one function different elements have different image. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ 2 A ಗೆ ಹೋಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 2 ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಬಹುದು? To mapping to either B or C or D. How many possibilities? 3. Next come to 3, C or D, to 2 possibilities. So this is nothing but 4p3 permutation. What is 4p3? Product of 3 consecutive factors. Correct? Product of 3 consecutive factors begins with 4. So this is 4p3. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಇದೀಗ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿ CET-ಗೆ, ಸಪೋಸ್ ಇಫ್ n of A is equal to m elements, n of B is equal to n elements, number of relations 2 to the power n of A cross B, this is equal to 2 to the power mn relations. Next, functions, among which how many are functions? Number of functions n to the power n of B whole to the power n of A. This is n to the power m. Among which how many are 1 functions? 1 or injective function. 1 function is already we discussed npm, n permutation B. So here n is always greater than or equal to m. So in this case, see here 1 function not possible. Correct? ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಮ್ಯಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಲೇಬೇಕು. 2 3 ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ 3 elements, here 2 elements, here 1 function is not possible. So for 1 function n of B means here n elements n of B, n of A m elements. For 1 function n of B must be greater than or equal to n of A. 1 and onto function onto if n of A is equal to m elements and n of B is equal to 2 elements, then 2 to the power m minus 2. So onto function ಗೆ m A ಅಲ್ಲಿ m elements, B ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 elements, onto function 2 to the power m minus 2. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್? ಇದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ CET-ಗೆ. among which how many are both 1 and onto bijective function, bijective functions. So ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, here always n, here n of b greater than equal to m, here n of a is greater than equal to n of b ಆಗಬೇಕು. n of, here n is greater than equal to m, here n is less than equal to m, or m is greater than equal to, then only onto function possible. Here bijective function, what is meant by bijective? Both 1 and onto, injective and surjective, then only bijective. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು bijective function, bijective function ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? on a set A, set A ಅಲ್ಲಿ, in set A how many elements? m elements should be both 1 and onto, then only bijective. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು 1 ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಷ್ಟು bijective function ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇದೆ. that is np mp m, nothing but m factorial. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ, ಸೊ 2 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ bijective function 2 factorial, 3 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆದ್ರೆ bijective function 3 factorial. ಈಗ come to binary operations. The number of binary operation on set containing n elements, already ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ, binary operation is a function from a cross a to a, then number of binary operation is equal to number of functions, that is n of function is n of a whole to the power n of a cross a. ಈಗ ಈ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ಆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿ. n of a whole to the power n of a cross a. So n of a here how many elements? 2 to the power 2 2. So n to the power n square. So binary operation is 16. Number of functions set containing 2 elements, number of binary operation is a function from a cross a to a. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೈನರಿ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಿಯರ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾನು ಅವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಸೆಟ್ ಕಂಟೈನಿಂಗ್ m element a m element, set b having n elements, number of function is n to the power m. Here b is a and set a cross a, then n of a whole to the power n of a cross a, that is 2 to the power 2 into 2, so 2 to the power 4, 16 binary operations. Next one, the domain of the function. So in the function y equal to f of x, set of values of x defined in the function called domain, and the set of values of f of x or y is range or image set. Correct? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ in the function, in this function ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕೀಗ? x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. in the function y equal to f of x, x is independent variable, y is dependent variable, x is set of values of x is called domain, y is range. ಇಲ್ಲಿ and we deals domain and range in the entire real number. Correct? in the entire real number. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗ ಇದರ ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಗೆ ನೋಡೋದು? ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ x ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ sin inverse of root of x minus 1 is defined. So here sin inverse of root of x minus 1, we know sin inverse function, or the sin inverse function range is sin inverse is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Correct? Sin inverse, so range nothing but the interval containing minimum and maximum value of the function. Here sin inverse of root of x minus 1 is minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. Then operate sin function in the inequality, then sin of minus pi by 2 less than equal to root of x minus 1 less than equal to sin pi by 2. So this is minus 1, this is 1. So root of x minus 1 greater than equal to minus 1 and less than equal to 1. Then squaring, ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ x minus 1 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಇದು x minus 1 is 1 to 1 alla. We know sin x is greater than equal to minus 1, less than equal to 1. What is the sin square x range? Sin range minus 1 to 1. What is the range of sin square x? Sin square x is ಇದನ್ನು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ is 1 to 1. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ sin square for every x in the real number is sin square x is equal to only 1 value? No. So ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, this is 0, 1, minus 1. So what is the range of sin x? Sin x cos x is minimum value minus 1, maximum value 1. This is the range of sin x. What is the range of sin square x? Sin square x ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಈ 1 to 1 ಅಲ್ಲ, sin square ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ you have to take only positive values. So sin x minus 1 to 1, then sin square x become these negative, correct, minus 1 to 0. These negative real numbers may coincide with positive real number. So range becomes not 1 to 1, range is 0 to 1. So sin square x is greater than equal to 0, less than equal to 1. Here also root of x minus 1 is minus 1 to 1, then x minus 1 is, we have to take in this minus 1 to 1 positive value 0 to 1. Then add 1, we get x is greater than equal to 1, less than equal to 1. So domain is closed interval 1 to 2. So answer is A. Next question. ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಿತ್ತು ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್. ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಕೆಲವು ಟಫ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಸಿಇಟಿ ಪೇಪರ್ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ ಇದೆ ಪೇಪರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇದರ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ನೋಡಿ, ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸೊ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ 2 sin inverse of minus 1 by 2, we can write like this: sin inverse minus 1 by 2 plus sin inverse minus 1 by 2. So this is by inverse trigonometry property. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2, correct. Next, sin inverse of minus 1 by 2 is minus sin inverse of 1 by 2. Then pi by 2 minus pi by sin inverse 1 by 2 ಯಾವಾಗ sin function 1 by 2 ಆಗೋದು ಯಾವಾಗ pi by 6. So pi by 2 minus pi by 6 is pi by 3. This is very simple question. Next one, total number of possible matrices. So this one is also there in your textbook in matrix chapter, in third chapter, first exercise, last multiple choice questions. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ ನಾನು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇನೆ, CET ಗೆ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಇರುವ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್. The total number of possible matrices, very simple. 3 cross 3 matrix. So how many entries? 3 into 3, 9 entries. For each 9 entries, you have to 2 possibilities, 2 choices. Either we have to fill 2 or 0. So total 9 entries can be, each entry can be selected exactly 2 ways. Hence the total number of all possible matrices of the type is 2 for first 2, for second entry 2. So 2 into 2 up to 2 to the power 9 int, correct. So 5, 1, 2. Answer is D. Next question. If A, set A, not set, matrix A 1 minus 1 2 minus 1, matrix B x1 y minus 1, and A plus B square is equal to A square plus B square, then x plus y. This one is also very simple question. What is A plus B square? Nodi ga idanige A plus B square is equal to A square plus B square. What is A plus B square? A plus B square. A plus B square is A plus B into A plus B. So what is A? This is A into A square, then AB, then BA, then B square. So don't write like this. A square, A plus B whole square is in usual SLC in identity. A plus B whole square is A square plus B square plus 2AB. Don't write here like this, because AB is not equal to BA. Matrix multiplication is not commutative. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? This is A square plus B square. A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square. Correct? So A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus B square. What is A plus B whole square? Here, A square plus B square plus AB plus BA is equal to, given is A square plus B square. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಎರಡು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿ this A plus B whole square equal to A square plus B square, we get one relation. This is AB plus BA equal to 0. Write the matrix A, B, BA, then multiply. We no need to multiply each entries, multiply only entry containing element containing only X, then only Y. Here ನಾನೀಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. we no need to multiply all, multiply X, correct. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ, first row second, then here also first row first column, multiplication is performing row with column, so multiply. On multiplying like this, right hand side is 0 means not usual 0, this is 0 matrix of order 2 cross 2. ಈಗ ಹೀಗೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಇಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಕ್ವೇಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು 2 minus x minus 1, 2 minus x minus 1 equal to right hand side 0, so x becomes 1, correct. Then ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೋಡಿ, ಟರ್ಮ್ don't equate the entry containing x and y. If you equate entry or element containing both x and y, we get a linear equation. ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದರಿಂದ x ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರೋದು, y ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರೋದನ್ನು ಇಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಇಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ಇಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಎರಡೂ ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನು ಇಕ್ವೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ದೆನ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಟ್ ದೀಸ್ ಟು, first add these two, 3 minus y plus 1, this is last element equal to, on right hand side every element 0, so we get y equal to 4, correct. Then y equal to 4, x plus y is equal to 5, so answer is D. Next question, if A and B are matrices of same order, then AB dash minus BA dash is a, this is very simple question, symmetric, skew symmetric. What is meant by unit matrix? We know identity matrix. Null matrix means each entry is 0. What is meant by symmetric? A square matrix A is said to be symmetric matrix if A dash is equal to A, correct. A dash is equal to A, then matrix is symmetric. If A dash is equal to A transpose is equal to minus A, then that square matrix is called skew symmetric matrix. So to check the symmetric or skew symmetric, first we have to find its a transpose. What is transpose of? Now we have to take transpose of AB dash minus BA dash. What is transpose of this? This is equal to, what is first apply difference. What is transpose of difference of two matrix? Difference of their transpose. So transpose of AB dash minus transpose of BA dash, and then apply transpose of product of two matrix. What is AB whole dash? AB whole dash is B dash into A dash. Transpose of product of two matrix is product of their transpose taken in reverse order. What is AB dash whole dash? B dash whole dash A dash minus A dash of dash B dash. We know transpose of the transpose of matrix is matrix itself. B dash of dash is B transpose of transpose is B itself. B A dash minus A, this is not B, B dash, correct. Here this is equal to, so AB dash minus BA dash transpose is equal to, take minus, then AB dash minus BA dash. Here we get transpose of this is minus of AB dash minus BA dash. Clearly this matrix is AB dash minus BA dash is not symmetric, skew symmetric matrix. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು, if A and B are symmetric matrices of same order, then AB plus BA is a symmetric, AB minus BA is skew symmetric. Here also ನೋಡಿ. So AB dash minus BA dash transpose, we get minus of AB dash minus BA dash, hence AB dash minus BA dash is skew symmetric matrix. Next one, this is very simple question. ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿಗೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. This is not matrix, this is determinant. Two matrices are equal means their corresponding elements equal. Two determinant equal means not corresponding elements equal, their expansion equal. So ಇದು ನೀವು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಇದು ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ expand, on expanding like this, left hand side, right hand side, correct. So ಇದನ್ನ expand ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, then equate, we get x square equal to 36, x equal to plus or minus 6. Very simple question. Some questions are CET ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಆನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಿಗೆ ರಿಲೇಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ. The area of the triangle with vertices, ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಥಿಯರಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ನೀವು ಏನು ಓದಿದ್ರಿ ಸಾಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. The area of the triangle with vertices minus 3, 0, 3, 0, 0, k is 9 square units. Then value of k, area given. So very simple question. Area formula half into determinant of minus 3, 0, first point, second point 3, 0, third point 0, k, right, last column 1, 1, 1. Area area given is 9, but this is determinant. Area always positive, determinant may be positive or negative, take plus or minus. Then expand, take to other side, expand the this is not modulus, this is determinant. Expand the determinant, on expanding like this we get k equal to plus or minus 3, but in each option having only one, take positive value. So answer is 3B option. Next one, ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, very simple question. Then A inverse. So we know we can easily write inverse of 2 cross 2 matrix. What is A inverse of formula? A inverse is 1 by determinant A into adjoint A, correct? 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. So what is the determinant of 2 cross 2 matrix? Product of main diagonal elements minus product of secondary diagonal elements. 2 into 4 8, minus of 3 into minus 3 plus 9. So 8 plus 8 plus 9 is 17. Then adjoint of 2 cross 2 matrix is obtained by interchange the, correct, interchange the main diagonal elements, just change the sign of secondary diagonal elements. We can easily write adjoint of 2 cross 2 matrix. This is interchanging the main diagonal elements, change the sign of secondary diagonal elements, 3 minus 3. So this is not inverse, this is adjoint. E adjoint ಗೆ determinant na divide ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ answer. So what is the answer? So answer is A inverse adjoint A better may. So answer is B, correct. Next, so 4 3 minus 3 2, answer is B, not C. Next question, if f of x equal to is continuous at x equal to pi by 2, this function is continuous. What is the definition of continuity? Limit of the function, limit of f of x, x tends to a, is equal to value of the function at x equal to a. Limit of the function is equal to value of the function, then function is continuous. Or here two limits are there, one is left hand limit, another one is right hand limit. Here when we have to take a left hand limit and right hand limit, if a function defined in two ways, for less than a, to the left of a and to the right of a, function defined in two ways, to get the limit here you must find left hand limit and right hand limit. So we can orally get what is left hand limit at less than equal to x less than equal to pi by 2. Left hand limit is, this is polynomial function, just put the value m into pi by 2 plus 1. Left hand limit is m into pi by 2 plus 1. Now what is the right hand limit? So left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. What is right hand limit? Sin pi by 2 plus n, sin 91. So left hand limit is m into pi by 2 plus 1. Right hand limit is 1 plus n. For continuous, left hand limit equal to right hand limit is equal to value of the function. Here also value of the function is this. Idanna equate ಮಾಡಿ, we get 1 will be cancelled. So we get one relation between m and n. So n equal to m pi by 2. Answer is C. Next, if differentiation question, if secant of x minus y by x plus y is equal to a, then dy by dx. See the option. What is the derivative of secant x? Secant x derivative is secant into tan. We know derivative of trigonometry function is in terms of trigonometry function, but optionally in each option trigonometry function is not there. See the right hand side. In the right hand side, a is constant, correct? So derivative of a is constant. So before go for differentiation, use definition of inverse function, write secant to other side. Then x minus y by x plus y is equal to secant inverse a. Then go for differentiation. For right hand side, which rule? Quotient rule. And sorry, left hand side quotient rule, right hand side a is constant, derivative is 0. Correct? Differentiate both sides. For left hand side use quotient rule. What is the quotient rule? Denominator is x plus y, numerator is x minus y. Denominator into derivative of x minus y is 1 minus dy by dx. Differentiate with respect to x, minus numerator x minus y into derivative of x plus y is 1 plus dy by dx upon denominator square, right hand side constant 0, then cross multiply, simplify, then write dy by dx term one side, other terms right another side, simplify, we get dy by dx is equal to y by x. Here x plus y into 1 minus x plus y into dy by dx minus x minus y into 1 minus x minus y into dy by dx equal to 0. ಇದನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Here minus x plus y will be cancelled, minus of minus plus y, y 2y, ಇದನ್ನು ಆ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ we get 2y equal to 2x dy by dx or dy by dx equal to y by x. Correct? So answer is D. ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಫಾರ್ CAT, if a function like this f of x into y is equal to k, if function f of x into y is equal to k, ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದ್ರೆ you can write the answer directly. dy by dx is answer, f of x into y is k, dy by dx is y by x. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ dy by dx here minus y by x into ಹೇಗಂದ್ರೆ x into dy by dx, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ x into y ಇದು x into ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ರೂಲ್, x into dy by dx ಪ್ಲಸ್ y into derivative of x1 ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ k 0 ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ dy by dx we get y minus y by x ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ sin of xy plus 3 cos of xy is equal to 5 like this. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ sin derivative cos of xy, then derivative of xy is plus, then cos ಇದು minus sin of xy into derivative of xy using chain rule ಇದು. ಸೊ ಇದು ಕಾಮನ್ ಬರ್ತದೆ, equated to 0. correct? So if function like this f of x into y is equal to k, then dy by dx is minus y by x. ನೀವು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ xy, dy by dx minus y by x. Function in the form, suppose f of x by y is equal to k or f of y by x is equal to k, if f of x by y equal to k or f of y by x is equal to k, then dy by dx is equal to, ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್, dy by dx is answer y by x. This is first one, this is a second one. ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿ ಇ ಟಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ನೀವು ಏನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡದೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಈಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ವೈ ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ವೈ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸೀಕೆಂಡ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್. ಇದನ್ನೇ ಅಥವಾ ಡಿವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ y by x. If function of the form f of x by y is equal to constant, x by y is equal to constant, or f of y by x is equal to constant, then dy by dx is ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅವಾಗ dy by dx is y by x. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಸೊ ಈಗ ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ, so first one, if f of function in the form, if f of x into y is equal to k, dy by dx is equal to minus y by x. If f of x by y is equal to constant, or f of y by x is equal to constant, then dy by dx is equal to y by x. Next, if f of x plus y is equal to constant, then dy by dx is equal to minus 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x plus y, x derivative 1, y derivative dy by dx, 1 plus dy by dx common, equated to 0, we get 1 plus dy by dx equal to 0, dy by dx equal to minus 1. So ಇನ್ನೊಂದು x power m, if x power m into y power n is equal to x plus y whole to the power m plus n, dy by dx is equal to y by x. ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್, ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಬಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಏನು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡದೆ ಬರೀಬಹುದು. ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ x by y form or y by x form, dy by dx is y by x. The function of the form x plus f of x plus y equal to constant, dy by dx is minus 1. If function of the form ಇಲ್ಲಿ m and n are constants, x power m into y power n equal to x plus y whole to the power m plus n, then dy by dx is y by x. Here answer y by x. Next question. If x power y equal to e power x minus y, then dy by dx equal to, so ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಉಂಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದು ನೋಡಿ. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x power y, x power y, how can you differentiate x power y? Here base is x, index is y, both are variable. So to get the derivative here we must take log. ಹಾಗಂತ ಹೇಳಿ log ಒಂದೇ ಸೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದ? You have to take log on both sides. So taking log, our x power y becomes log of x power y equal to log of e power x minus y. By logarithm theorem, y log x equal to x minus y into log e. Here base not mentioned means we have to take base e. Log e to the base e becomes 1. Then y log x equal to x minus y. Correct? This is y log x is equal to x minus y. Bring minus y to left hand side, we get y log x plus y is equal to x, or y common. Actually this is implicit function, but we can reduce it to explicit form. First reduce it to explicit form, then go for differentiation. So y becomes y equal to x, here remaining is log x plus 1, then y equal to x by 1 plus log x. Then differentiate using quotient rule. So differentiate ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ dy by dx is equal to numerator 1 plus denominator 1 plus log x into derivative of numerator x is 1 minus numerator x into derivative of 1 plus log x is 1 by x by denominator square. On simplifying we get log x by 1 plus log x whole square. So answer is C. Next question. If y equal to cos square of 3x by 2 minus sin square of 3x by 2. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಗೆ ಹೋಗುದಲ್ಲ, we want second derivative. ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ? y equal to cos square x minus sin square x formula. So what this is first formula. What is cos square x minus sin square x? This is first formula of cos, not 1, not minus 1. This is not identity. Cos square x minus sin square x is cos 2x. Here x, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು x? This is x is 3x by 2, correct? So y equal to cos of 2 into 3x by 2, cos 3x. So y equal to cos 3x, differentiate twice. We know if you differentiate cos function or sin function twice, we get same function. Cos ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಎರಡು ಸಲ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ cos ಏ ಬರ್ತದೆ, sin ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಗೆ. So dy by dx becomes derivative of cos 3x is minus sin 3x into derivative of 3x is 3. Then again differentiate, minus 3 into derivative of sin is cos 3x into derivative of 3x is 3. So minus 9 cos 3x, but cos 3x is y. So minus 9y. So second derivative is minus 9y. Answer is C. Next question. If x equal to e power t sin t, y equal to e power t cos t, t is parameter, then dy by dx. We know what is dy by dx. Dy by dx is in a parametric function. First we have to differentiate x and y with respect to parameter, either t or theta. Here theta. Then dy by dx is dy by dt by dx by dt. So first differentiate. Before go for differentiation, here dy by dx at 1 comma 1. At 1 comma 1 means x is 1, y is 1. 1 comma 1, x value 1. Illi x and y both are in terms of parameter t. So first find t. Substitute here x equal to 1. 1 equal to e power t sin t. Then put y is also 1. 1 equal to e power t cos t. So this is x, this is y. First find the value of t, then dividing, we get a sin by cos, tan t is equal to 1. This is t equal to pi by 4. So dy by dx at 1 comma 1 means we want dy by dx at t equal to pi by 4. First differentiate here dy by dt. What is dy by dt? What is the derivative of e power t cos t? Differentiate with respect to t. Derivative of e power t, derivative of cos is minus, correct? Derivative of cos minus sin t. Don't write like this, because e power t cos t product of function, use product rule. To get the derivative of this, you must apply product rule. So e power t first function into derivative of cos is minus sin t plus cos t into derivative of e power t is e power t. So here e power t is common, then remaining is cos t minus sin t at t equal to pi by 4, cos pi by 4 minus sin pi by 4 at 45 degree. Cos and sin have same value, so e power t common, remaining cos pi by 4 minus sin pi by 4 is 0. So here we no need to find dx by, because numerator becomes 0, correct? This is one method. Find it t equal to pi by 4, find dy by dt and dx by dt, dy by dt and dx by dt, like this. But here already discussed, this is better. Find dy by dt first. Getting dy by dt at t equal to pi by 4, we get dy by dx is 0. So no need to find dx by dt. Numerator becomes 0. Suppose if denominator is 0, no option not defined is not there. So dy by dx is dy by dt by dx by dt. Dy by dt is 0. So we no need to find dx by dt. Answer is 0. So 16th answer C. Next integration problem. So integral of, what is the derivative of 10 power x? This question is there in your textbook in 7.2 exercise, last multiple choice question. Here what is the derivative of a power x? Derivative of a power x is, what is the derivative of a power x? A power x into log a. What is the derivative of x power n? Derivative of x power n is nx power n minus 1. So here derivative of 10 power x is 10 power x into log 10. Derivative of x power 10 is 10x to the power 9. So numerator is the derivative of, ಇದು already ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು integration class ಅಲ್ಲಿ. integral of f dash of x by f of x dx is answer log of f of x plus c. Correct? Integral. So ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಹೀಗೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ, ಈ ರೀತಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ is the derivative of denominator. So answer is log of denominator plus c. So 17th answer D. Next 18th question. ಇದು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಇದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. e power x into 1 minus x by 1 plus x whole square. So ಇದನ್ನ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್. ನೋಡಿ, e power x into, so numerator 1 minus x whole square, a minus b whole square formula, a square plus x square minus 2x, denominator is 1 plus x square whole square. So ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನು ಒಂದು ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Then splitting, don't split the integrals, ಇಲ್ಲೇ split ಮಾಡಿ. Then integral of e power x into 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square whole square is 1 by 1 plus x square minus 2x by this. So here this is of the form e power x into, very important for f of x plus f dash of x dx. This is f of x, this is f dash of x. Correct? So answer is e power x by e power x into f of x. Here f of x is, ಹೌದಾ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು f of x ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 by 1 plus x square. What is f dash of x? What is the derivative of this? Quotient rule ಆಗಬೇಕು, quotient rule ಬೇಡ. What is the derivative of 1 by x? Derivative of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. What is the derivative of 1 by u? Chain rule. Derivative of 1 by u is minus 1 by u square. ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, u is a function of x, minus 1 by u square into derivative of u with respect to x. Here u is 1 plus x square. So what is the derivative of 1 by 1 plus x square? Minus 1 by 1 plus x square whole square into derivative of 1 plus x square is 2x. So this is f of x minus 2x by 1 plus x square whole square is f dash of x. So answer is e power x into f of x plus c. Very important type. Next. So the value of minus integral of minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 dx by e power sin x plus 1 is equal to, so here integral from a to b f of x dx equal to integral from a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. So ಇದನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ab pi by 2 minus pi by 2 on add we get 0, but ಹೀಗೆ ನೀವು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಇದು, integral from minus pi by 2 pi by 2 dx by e power, this is sin of minus x. What is sin of minus x? Minus sin x. What is e power minus sin x? E power minus sin x is 1 by e power sin x. Correct? E power sin x. After taking LCM, this e power minus sin x becomes 1 by e power sin x. After taking LCM, e power sin x goes to numerator, then integral becomes e power sin x by 1 plus e power sin x dx. So take a given integral I, this is also using this property, this is also I, then adding 1 plus 2, we get 2i is equal to integral from minus pi by 2 pi by 2. This is first equation, this is second equation. On adding these two, denominator same, just add the numerator, here 1, here e power sin x. On adding these two, numerator is same as that of denominator, you have to integrate 1. Integral of 1 or integral of dx is x, then limit is integral of dx is x, then take the difference of upper and lower limits, pi by 2 minus of minus pi by 2, 2i equal to pi, then answer I equal to pi by 2. Next question, this is also very standard question, already discuss ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. 0 to pi by 4, not pi by 2, 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x, better remember the result pi by 8 log 2. This is very standard question, answer ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಮಾಡುವ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಾನು ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ. So 0 to pi by 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0 to f of x dx equal to integral from 0 to f of a minus x dx ಈ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So answer we get pi by 8 log 2. So integral from 0 to pi by 4 log of 1 plus tan x pi by 8 log 2. So answer ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿ. Next, integral from 1 by x into x to the power 2023 plus 1 dx. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡುವ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಹೇಗೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ integral from 1 by x into x to the power 2023 plus 1 dx. What is the derivative of x to the power n? N x to the power n minus 1. What is the derivative of x to the power 2023? 2023 into x to the power 2022. So here go for substitution. Put x power 2023 equal to t. Idra derivative. Idra derivative 2023 x power 2022 ಇರಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ. So make a correction, a small manipulation before go for substitution. Write 1 by x like this. We can write 1 by x as x power 5 by x power 6, or x power 10 by x power 11, or x power 2022 by x power 2023, that is 1 by x. So x power 2023 by 22 by x power 2023. This is nothing but 1 by x. Then x power 2023 plus 1 dx. Then this is of the form, this integral is of the form, this is also very standard form. Integral of x power 1 by x into x power n plus 1 dx is 1 by n log, idu result ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿ. So integral of 1 by x into x to the power n plus 1 dx is 1 by n log modulus of x power n by x power n plus 1 plus c. So idra result ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿ. So in this question n is 2023. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಆಗಬೇಕು? 1 by n log of modulus of x power 2023 log of x power n by x power n plus 1. So answer 1 by C answer, correct. 1 by 2023 log of modulus of x power 2023 by x power 2023 plus 1 plus C. Answer C. ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನೇ, ಇದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಇದು ಇದರ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನೇ ನನಗೆ ಆವಾಗ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು? ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ 1 by x as x power n minus 1 by x power n into x power n plus 1. Then put x power n is equal to t. This implies nx power n minus 1 dx is equal to dt. But in numerator only x power n minus 1 dx is becomes dt by n. So this given integral becomes 1 by n, correct? X power n minus 1 dx is dt by n. 1 by n constant, put it outside the integration symbol. Then dt 1 by, this is t into t plus 1. So in denominator product of two linear factors. So this is ಹೇಗೆ evaluate ಮಾಡೋದು? First integration by partial fraction. So 1 by t into t plus 1, it's a partial fraction is, this is the first type, the denominator of the proper fraction containing non-repeated linear factor. So idraddu constant by first linear factor t, then another constant by t plus 1. Then you can find the value of a. To find a, equate its denominator factor to 0. To find a, put t equal to, ನಿಮ್ಮ general method ಬೇಡ, we can orally get the answer by Vedic mathematics. Put a, t equal to 0, substituting in left hand side except the factor which is a's denominator. To find a, put t equal to 0. So substituting in left hand side except t equal to 0 ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ t ಗೆ 0 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನೀವು ಯಾವುದನ್ನು 0 ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಆ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು t equal to 0 ಇಲ್ಲಿ t equal to 0 ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ 1. So a becomes 1 by t. To find b, equate its denominator factor to 0, t plus 1 equal to 0, t equal to minus 1, substituting in on the left hand side except the factor which is b's denominator. What we have equated to 0, excluding that factor. Here we have equated t plus 1, excluding t plus 1, put to t equal to minus 1, we get 1 by minus 1, so minus 1 by t plus 1. So here substitute 1 by n integral of 1 by t minus 1 by t plus 1 dt. This is equal to 1 by n. So what is the integral of 1 by t? Log t. What is the integral of 1 by t plus 1? Log of modulus of t plus 1. Correct? So 1 by n, then using logarithm theorem, 1 by n log t minus log t plus 1 is log t by t plus 1. That is log 1 by n, answer 1 by n log modulus of t is x power n. So 1 by n log of modulus of x power n by x power n plus 1 plus c. So ಈ result ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿ. So integral of 1 by x into x power 2023 plus 1 dx is 1 by n, here n is 2023, 1 by n log of modulus of x power n by x power n plus 1 plus c. Next question. Same. Integral from 0 to infinity x power 2023. See here 1 plus x square is there. What is 1 by 1 plus x square? 1 by 1 plus x square is the derivative of tan. So here put x equal to tan theta. Then dx equal to secant square theta d theta. When x equal to 0, tan theta 0, theta tan inverse 0 is 0. When x equal to infinity, theta is equal to tan inverse infinity. When tan function infinity, pi by 2. So then give an integral, say I equal to integral from 0 to pi by 2, put x equal to tan theta, then tan to the power 2023 theta, secant square theta d theta, this is dx, correct? Then by 1 plus tan to the power 2023 theta, 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus x square becomes 1 plus tan square theta. This is secant square theta, 1 plus tan square theta will be cancelled. Both are same. Then integral from 0 to pi by 2, tan to the power 2023 theta d theta by 1 plus tan to the power 2023 theta. Then write tan in terms of sin and cos. Tan is sin by cos. Sin by cos ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬಂತು. So this is of the form integral from 0 to pi by 2 sin to the power n theta by sin to the power n theta plus cos to the power n theta d theta is equal to pi by 4. This is very standard result. ಮೊನ್ನೆ annual exam ಅಲ್ಲೂ 6 marks ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇದೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನು ಮುಂದೆ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೋಡಿದ್ದು ಇದನ್ನ ಯಾವ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ 0 to a integral from 0 to a f of x dx is equal to integral from 0 to a f of a minus x dx. So using this property, replace theta by pi by 2 minus theta, then sin numerator sin becomes cos, denominator cos in the sin agi sin in the cos ಬರ್ತದೆ, denominator same, here numerator sin, in second integral cos, on adding these two we get numerator is same as that of denominator, integral of d theta is theta, limit 0 to pi by 2. So 2i equal to pi by 2, I equal to pi by 4. This is very standard result. On annual exam ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಕೇಳಿ ಇದೇ ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸೊ ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಸಮ್ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಹಿಯರ್ integral from, this is one first one. Next integral from 0 to pi by 2 cos to the power n theta by cos to the power n theta sin to the power n theta d theta is also pi by 4. Next, ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಈಗ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೀವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಇದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮೇ. ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್ 0 to pi by 2 1 by 1 plus tan to the power n theta d theta is also pi by 4. Integral from 0 to pi by 2 1 by 1 plus cot to the power n theta d theta is also pi by 4. Integral from 0 to pi by 2 tan to the power n theta by 1 plus tan to the power n theta d theta is also pi by 4. Or integral from 0 to pi by 2 cot to the power n theta by 1 plus cot to the power n theta d theta is also pi by 4. Or integral from 0 to pi by 2 sin tan to the power n theta divided by tan to the power n theta plus cot to the power n theta d theta is also pi by 4. Or integral from 0 to pi by 2 secant to the power n theta d theta by secant to the power n theta plus cosecant to the power n theta is also pi by 4. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ pi by 4. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಗೋ ಫಾರ್ 0 to replace theta by upper limit minus theta ಹಾಗೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಕೋ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಹಾಗಿದ್ದಾಗ ನೀವು ಆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲಿ. ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದ್ರೆ, ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. ವಿ ನೋ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಇವಾಲ್ವೇಟ್. ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ pi by 4. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ pi by 4 ಬರ್ತದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರಲ್ವಾ, 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ರೇಟ್ ಮೆಜರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ದ ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗಲ್ ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಡಿ ಟಿ ಈಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕು. ಮೈನಸ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿದ್ರು ಹಂಗಾಯ್ತು, ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್. But width is increasing. dy by d theta is increasing. We want area. What is area formula? Very simple question. Area A equal to x into y. Then dA by dt is equal to, this is by product rule, not derivative of x1 derivative of dy by dt. Don't write like this. You must use product rule. X into dy by dt plus y into dx by dt. Correct. So area is x is dx by dt minus 5, y is 6 centimeter and x is 8 centimeter, dy by dt is 4. Answer is 2 centimeter. So area increasing at the rate of 2 centimeter square per minute. Next question. The interval in which the function is increasing. So for increasing or decreasing, first we have to find derivative of the function f dash of x. If f dash of x is greater than equal to 0, function is increasing. F dash of x less than equal to 0, function is decreasing. So find the derivative. Derivative of x cube 3x square minus 3x square is minus 6x plus 3 and 100 minus 100 0. 3 common, then x square minus 2x plus 1 is x minus 1 whole square. For every real number, if x is any real number, x minus 1 whole square always greater than equal to 0. Correct. So when x equal to 1, this one becomes 0. When in all either positive real number or a negative real number, this is always other than 1, always greater than 0 because here square is there. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಆಗೋದು? ಯಾವುದೇ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ x ಗೆ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್, this function is always greater than equal to 0. So answer is A. Next question. The slope of the normal to the curve. Very simple question. Slope. First find dy by dx. Put x equal to 0. We get dy by dx is not slope of the tangent, slope of the normal. If slope of the normal is slope of the tangent. If slope of the tangent is m, then the slope of the normal is minus 1 by m. Very simple question. The equation of the given, then slope of the tangent to the curve, differentiate madi, put x equal to 0, we get m equal, say m is slope of the tangent, slope of the tangent is 3, then slope of the normal is minus 1, minus of reciprocal of the slope of the tangent, so answer is minus 1 by 3. Next question, if sum of two positive numbers is 24 and their product is as large as possible, then numbers are, product is as large as possible means product function is maximum. So idu ashte simple maximum minimum chapter direct question nimge gottirilla idu. If sum of two positive numbers, say if two numbers are x and y, if sum of two positive numbers, if x plus y is given, suppose if sum of two positive numbers is L, then product x into y is, this product is maximum when x is equal to y equal to L by 2. ನೀವೇನು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬೇಡ, ಇದು ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಟು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ಆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು, ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ L by 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ L ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು 24. ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಇಫ್ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಟು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ನಂಬರ್ is given, this is given, constant means given, if sum of two positive numbers, sum of the squares of, this is another result, if sum of the squares of two positive number is given or a constant L, then product is maximum when numbers are same, x equal to y equal to L by 2. So idra answer numbers are, ನೋಡಿ ಇದೀಗ ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನೀವೀಗ ಇದೀಗ ನಾನು ಯೂಸುವಲ್ ಮೆಥಡ್, ನೀವು ಸಿ ಇ ಟಿ ಹೀಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಮೆಥಡೇ ಬೇಡ, ನಾನೀಗ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಲ್ಲ, if two numbers x and y, sum is L, sum is 24, then numbers are L by 2, 24 by 2. So answer ಇದೀಗ ನಾನು ಜನರಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಯೂಸುವಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಆ ರೀತಿ, ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ನೀವು ನಾನು ಕೆಲವು ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, area of the region bounded by the ellipse. This is also very simple question, integration chapter, application of integration. Area of the region bounded by the ellipse. Area formula, what is area of the circle? One example ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 5 marks ಗೆ, pi a square, area of the circle. What is area of the ellipse? Ellipse is pi ab, because circle is a particular case of ellipse. Ellipse ಅಲ್ಲಿ a ಮತ್ತು b ಮೇಜರ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಸ್ ಮೈನರ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇನ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ a equal to b, so area of the circle pi a square, area of the ellipse pi ab. Here a square 25, b square 16, a is 5, b is 4, so answer is pi ab 25 square units. ಸೊ ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಕೇಳು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದೇನು ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಗೊತ್ತಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದ ಎಲಿಪ್ಸ್. ಕೆಲವೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, 4x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3y ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 12. ಸೊ ಬಟ್ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಎಲಿಪ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಗ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಏರಿಯಾ ಈಸ್ area of the curve 4x square plus, ಈ ಕರ್ವ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ನೋಡಿದಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ both x square and y square are there. If x square and y square both are there, either ellipse or circle or hyperbola. So here x square and y square both are there, their coefficient different, both have positive sign, coefficient different, then this is ellipse. If ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್ ಇದ್ದು coefficient ಸೇಮ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್, and coefficients are different, one is negative sign, then this hyperbola. If a curve contains either x square or y square, that is parabola. x square y square ಯಾವುದಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಪ್ಯಾರಾಬೋಲಾ, ಎರಡು ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಸರ್ಕಲ್, ಎಲಿಪ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಹೈಪರ್ಬೋಲಾ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಇದೀಗ ಏನಿದ್ರ ಏರಿಯಾ ಅವ್ರು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ, ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕರ್ವ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಅವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈ ಕರ್ವ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಲಿಪ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಎಲಿಪ್ಸ್? ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನೀಗ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್, ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 12, then x square by 3 plus y square by 4 is equal to 1. Correct? So divide by 12, then x square. So this is equation of the ellipse. Here a square is, then b square is, correct? So a square is 3, b square is 4. Hagadre a equal to root 3, b equal to 2. So what is area? Pi ab, pi root 3 2 square units. So ee ರೀತಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. Next question, area of the region, ಇದು ಮೊನ್ನೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಬಂದಿದೆ. Area of the region bounded by the curve y square equal to 4x. This is y square equal to x square is equal to 4y, that is opening upward. Here y square equal to 4x, this is opening right, correct? Standard parabola, standard parabola, y square is equal to 4x. ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಕೇಳಿದ ರೀತಿಯ ಕ್ವಶನ್. and in the ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, and y axis not x axis, area bounded by the parabola with y axis means we have to differentiate with y not x, with y axis and the line y equal, this is 0, this is y equal to 3. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು ಈ ಏರಿಯಾ. So this is the required area. Area bounded by the parabola y square equal to 4x with y axis between the line y equal to 3. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ y equal to 0, y axis ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ y equal to 0 to y equal to 3. So required area is required area. So ಈಗ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವು ನೋಡಿ ಇದೆ ಓ ಎ ಬಿ ಅಂತ ತಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಇದು, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಓ ಎ ಬಿ. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಏರಿಯಾ? ಏರಿಯಾ ಇಂಟೆಗ್ರಲ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎಲ್ಲಿಗೆ 0 to 3 x dy means we have to write here function of y. X is a function of y, y is a function, y equal to f of x form ಅಲ್ಲ, x equal to f of y form. So integral from this is y where is 0 to 3, ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಯಾವುದು? y square by 4 dy. So y square by 4, what is the integral of y square? Y cube by 3, 1 by 4 put it outside, then take the upper and lower limit. So lower limit agtaga 0 ಆಯ್ತು, upper limit 1 by 12 into 3 cube, ಒಂದು 3 cancel ಆಯ್ತು. So answer is 9 by 4 square units. Next question, the order and degree of the differential equation. Very simple question. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಡಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್? ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ, ಇದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ದ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಈಸ್ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ occurring in it, occurring in the differential equation. Here highest order is d square, so order is 2, d square, order 2. What is the degree? Degree of the differential equation is highest degree exponent power, highest power of highest order derivative occurring in the equation. But one condition is that differential equation is a polynomial equation in their derivative. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೈನ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಸೈನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಒಳಗಿದೆ, ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ dy by dx. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್. ಸೊ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ನೋಡ್ದ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? ದ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪವರ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಅಕರಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್. ಬಟ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಈಸ್, ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ all derivatives are free from radical and fractional powers. Nothing but the differential equation is a polynomial function in their derivative. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, dy by dx sin function ಒಳಗಿದೆ. So degree is not defined. Order 2 degree is not defined. Next question, the general solution of the differential equation. Very simple question. Variable separable form ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ e power x plus y, by indices law e power x plus y can be written as, correct? So ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಏನದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್, ಜನರಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ dy by dx is equal to e power x plus y. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, dy by dx equal to e power x plus y can be written as e power x into e power y. ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಸಪರೇಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ dy by e power y equal to e power x, e power y ನ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ತಗೊಂಡೋಗಿ e power minus y. This is variable separable form. dy contain function of y alone, dx contain function of x alone, then integrate. This is minus e power minus y, right? C, we can write C either in LHS or in RHS. Here write LHS, e minus e power minus y plus c equal to integral of e power x is e power x. So answer is e power x. ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದಾಗ e power x plus e power minus y is equal to c. Next, the integrating factor of the differential equation. So first write the differential equation in the standard form. Standard form ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, x dy by dx minus y equal to 2x square. So to get a standard form, divide x, aವಾಗ dy by dx minus 1 by xy is equal to 2x square by x is 2x. Correct? So this is of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q. So ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ p is minus 1 by x, q is 2x. Then integrating factor ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಯಾವುದು integrating factor, ಇದೀಗ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಬಂತು. integrating factor formula e power integral of p dx, ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ p minus 1 by x. What is integral of minus 1 by x? Minus log x. Use logarithm theorem. What is log? Yeah, minus log x, we know n log m is equal to log m to the power n. So this is minus log x is e power log x to the power minus 1. In exponential function, in logarithm function base equal, we get x power minus 1. Correct? A power log x to the base a, this is equal to x. So integrating factor is 1 by x. So ಇದರ integrating factor ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೇಳಿದೆ. ಈಗ ಜನರಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಏನಿದ್ರ ಜನರಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, y into integrating factor is equal to integral of q into integrating factor with respect to x plus c. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಲಿಲ್ಲ, here asked only integrating factor, but ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ y into ಯಾವುದು integrating factor ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 by x. This is equal to integral of q, ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ q is 2x, 2x into 1 by x dx. Very simple question. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2x cancel ಆಯಿತು, integral of 2 is 2x. So y by x is equal to 2x plus c, or y equal to 2x square plus cx. is not asked. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ ಇಷ್ಟೇಯ integrating factor. Next question. If theta is the angle between any two vectors a and b, then absolute value of a dot b is equal to magnitude of a cross b. So we know the definition of dot and cross product. So here we have to use the definition of dot and cross product. So dot product definition, magnitude of vector a, magnitude of vector b, cos theta. So illiya, this is not magnitude, because a dot b, dot product is always scalar, correct? ಆದ್ರೂ ಯಾಕೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ, ಇದು ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ದ ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು a cross b, magnitude of a cross b is always positive, but a dot b may be positive or negative. ಅದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಎರಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಲೆಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು, ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾಗ್ನಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ, and a cross b is, what is the definition of a cross b? Magnitude of vector a, magnitude of vector b, sin theta into n cap. But here we have taken magnitude, then magnitude of n cap, here magnitude of n cap becomes 1. We no need to write like, we no need to write magnitude of n, because that is 1. So then this is equal, these two are equal, ಎರಡು cancel ಆಯಿತು, cos equal to sin, tan theta is equal to 1. Answer is, angle between them is pi by 4. Next, area of the parallelogram whose adjacent sides are determined. ಇದು ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೇಳಿದ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಆನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬಂದಿತ್ತಲ್ವಾ. ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ದ parallelogram. So this is vector a, this is vector a. We know what is area of the parallelogram? Magnitude of vector a cross b. Correct? ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಬಂದ ಕ್ವಶನ್, magnitude of a cross b. So you first find a cross b. determinant of ijk first row, second row are scalar components of first vector A, third row are scalar components of vector B. So then expand, we get 20i plus 5i, 5j minus 5k. Then take magnitude, we get root 450 or 5 into root 18, 15 root 2. This one example the question, correct? So this area of the parallelogram. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಎ ಬಿ ವಿ ನೋ. So what is the direction cosines? A 1 2 minus 3, B minus 1 minus 2 1 directed from AB. So we want direction cosines of vector AB. So what is vector AB? First point vector AB, OB minus OA. What is OB minus OA? This is OB, this is OA. Minus 1 minus minus 2, minus 2 minus minus 4, 1 minus of minus plus 4, correct? So this is vector AB. What is direction cosines? Direction cosines is first scalar minus 2 by magnitude of this. What is the magnitude of vector AB? The magnitude is 2 minus 2 square plus minus 4 square plus 4 square. 16 plus 16 plus 4, correct? So here AB, find AB, then magnitude is for correct magnitude, then answer ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಈಗ, and the direction cosines is, so ಇದು AB, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡೆ, 2 ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬಂತು. So 9, this is 1 plus 3 plus 1 plus 4 plus 4 root 9, 3 into 2 6, and the direction cosines are first component by magnitude, second component by correct x by magnitude of vector AB, correct? ಅದನ್ನೇ ನಾವು ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರಿಬಹುದು, x2 minus x1 by magnitude of vector AB, y2 minus y1 by magnitude of vector AB, and z2 minus z1 by magnitude of vector AB. On simplifying we get minus 1 by 3, minus 2 by 3, 2 by 3. Next, if AB is your unit vector such that vector A plus vector B plus vector C is 0 vector, AB is your unit vector, so their magnitude is 1, then the value of A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A. So this is also very standard question. It is there in your vector chapter, dot product miscellaneous exercise ali problem ide. Very simple question. Here use A plus B plus C whole square formula. What is A plus B plus C whole square? A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB plus 2BC plus 2C. But in vector, magnitude of A plus B plus C square is, we know square of the vector is nothing but square of its magnitude. So magnitude of A square plus magnitude of B square plus magnitude of C square is equal to 2 times of ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸುವಲ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A. So ಇದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 0 ವೆಕ್ಟರ್, these three are unit vector. So 1 1 we want this, book ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನು mu ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬಂದಾಗ minus 3 we get A dot B plus B dot C plus C dot A is equal to minus 3 by 2. Answer is B. Next question. The coordinate of foot of the perpendicular drawn from origin to the plane. Next ಇದೀಗ 3-dimensional chapter. Coordinate of foot of the perpendicular drawn from origin to the plane 2x minus 3y plus 4z minus 6 is equal to 0 are coordinates. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್. The coordinates of perpendicular from origin to the plane Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to D. Our coordinates are LD, MD, ND. But ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದೀಗ LMN ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋದು like this. This is AX plus BY plus CZ is equal to D or minus D equal to 0. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ABC, here 2 minus 3 4 are direction ratios, not direction cosines, LMN. So ಇದು ಈ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ LMN ಬೇಕು. ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಈ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಟು ಗೆಟ್ ದಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಡಿವೈಡ್, ನೋಡಿ coordinates of foot of the perpendicular drawn from origin to the plane Lx plus My plus Nz equal to D are given by Ld, Md, Nd, where L, M, N are direction cosines of normal to the plane, and D is the distance of the plane from the origin. So we have 2x minus 3y plus 4z equal to 6. ಇದನ್ನ ನೀವು Lx plus My plus Nz equal to D form ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ we have to divide the root of a square plus b square plus c square, root of 2 square plus minus 3 square plus 4 square. So this is root 29. So divide in this equation root 29. Divide ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ 2 by root 29x minus 3 by root 29y plus 4 by root 29z is equal to 6 by root 29. Here L is 2 by root 29 and M is minus 3 by root 29, N is 4 by root 29 and D is not 6 by root 29. Then use the formula LD, MD, ND. Substitute the values, we get answer. L into D, 2 by root 29 into 6 by root 29, 12 by root 29 into root 29, 29. Similarly, multiplying these two, minus 18 by 29, multiplying these two, 24 by 29. Next question. The distance of the point 2, 3 minus from the plane. So, this question is annual example. Annual example. So, the very simple question, important. Distance of the point. We know distance of the point x1, y1. Distance of the point x1, y1, z1 from the plane ax plus by plus cz equal to D. Distance is formula modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 minus D divided by root of a square plus b square plus c square. Correct? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ABC coefficient of xyz 1 2 minus 2 and D is not 9, bring it left hand side, minus D ಆಗಬೇಕದು ಆವಾಗ minus 9 ನೋಡಿ. The given point is 2 3 minus 5 plane ಇದು distance formula modulus of ಏನು ನೀವು ಲೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ 3 ಡೈಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಬರುವಾಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೋಆರ್ಡಿನೇಟ್ ಇದೆ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯಾವುದಿಲ್ಲಿ x1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲಸ್ ಆಫ್ x1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2y1 minus 2z1 minus 9 divided by root of 1 square 2 square plus minus 2 square. Correct? A is 1, B is 2, C is minus 2. ಮೊನ್ನೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೇಳಿದ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x1 y1 z1 ಯಾವುದು 2 3 minus 5 2 here 3 here minus. So 2 plus 2 into 3 minus 2 into minus 5 minus 9. Denominator is root 9 is 3. So 9 by 3. Answer 3. Next question. The equation of the line joining the points minus 3. So ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದು x1 y1 z1 ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ x2 y2 z2. So distance equation of the line by this is second theorem, equation of the line passing through 2 points. Formula ಏನು passing through one point ಆದರೆ x minus x1 by a is equal to y minus y1 by b equal to z minus 1 z1 by c. But equation of the line joining, not plane, line joining 2 points is x minus x1 by x2 minus x1 equal to y minus y1 by y2 minus y1 is equal to z minus z1 by z2 minus z1. This is x1 y1 z1, this is x2 y2 z2. Or another method we can find, this is x2 minus x1, find y2 minus 5 and z2 minus z1. This is direction ratios. ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ಇದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಯಾವುದು x ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನಸ್ x plus 3 divided by 1 minus of minus 1 plus 3 y minus 4 by minus 2 minus 4 equal to z minus 11 by 7 minus 11. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇದೆಷ್ಟಿದು? ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 by 4 is equal to y minus 4 by minus 6 is equal to z minus 11 by minus 4. ಸೊ ಇದು ಯಾವ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 3 ವೈ ಮೈನಸ್ 4 ಝಡ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 11 ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ 4 ಮೈನಸ್ 6 ಮೈನಸ್ 4 ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಇದೆಯಾ? 4 ಮೈನಸ್ 6 ಮೈನಸ್ 4 ಇಲ್ಲ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಮೈನಸ್ 6 ಮೈನಸ್ 4. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? 4 ಮೈನಸ್ 6 ಮೈನಸ್ 4 ಬಂತು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ 4 ಮೈನಸ್ 6 ಮೈನಸ್ 4 is ಸೇಮ್ ಆಸ್ ನೀವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ -2 ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ -2 3 2 ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ -2 3 2 ಇಲ್ಲೂ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ 4 ಮೈನಸ್ 6 ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 4 ನೀವು ಇದಕ್ಕೀಗ ಈ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ 4 ಮೈನಸ್ 6 ಮೈನಸ್ 4 ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಮೈನಸ್ ಇರೋದು ಒಂದರಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ -2 ಆವಾಗ -2 ದೆನ್ 3 ದೆನ್ 2. ಸೊ ಇದು ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? -2 3 2 -2 3 2 x plus 3 by -2 y minus 4 by 3 z minus 11 by 2. ಸೊ ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ವಿ ನೋ ಇಫ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಆರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಲೈನ್, ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ರೇಷಿಯೋ ಆದ್ರೆ ದೆನ್ ಕೆ ಎ ಕೆ ಬಿ and KC are also direction ratios of same lines. So ABC are direction ratios, then KA, KB, KC are also direction ratios. 1 2 3 are direction ratios, -1 -2 -3 are also direction ratios, or multiply by 2 2 4 6 are also direction ratios. So idu gottirbeku. If ABC are direction ratios of the line, then constant into A, K into A, KB, KC are also direction ratios of same line ಅಥವಾ ಆ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್. ಸೊ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ದ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇನ್, equation of the direction ratios, equation of the plane, very simple question. Intercepts, so intercept form, in formula x by a 0 ಅಲ್ಲ 1. ಇದೇ ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ 2 x and y, correct? 2 dimensional, here 3 dimensional. So a is 2, b is 3, c is 4. So this is equation of the plane with intercepts a b c with x y z axis. So substitute ಮಾಡಿ we get and take the LCM. LCM is 12. We get the required answer 6x plus 4y plus 3z equal to 12. So answer is B. Next question, the corner point of the feasible region for a LPP 0, 2, 3, 0, 6, 0, 6, 8, 0, 5, let z equal to 4x plus 6y be the objective function. The minimum value of z occurs 0, 2 only, 3, 0 only, the midpoint of the line segment joining. So where we read the option. So illi ನೀವು ನೋಡಿ, ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ given, you have to find the maximum or minimum. ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ z, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು z objective function is 4x plus 6y. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ at 0, 2 4x plus 6y becomes at 0, 2 12 ಬರ್ತದೆ. ನೀವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. at 3, 0 same, at 3, 0 x is 3 y 0, here also 12. So minimum value of z occurs, ನೀವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ನಮ್ಗೀಗ ಈ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ 0, 2 ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ 0, 2 ಮತ್ತೆ 3, 0 gives ಸೇಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಹೌದಾ, ಇನ್ನು ಉಳಿದ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 6,0 ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, 6,0 ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ 12 ಬರ್ತದೆ. 6,8 ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು z ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್ 12. 0,5 30. ಸೊ 0,2 and 3,0 these two gives same value but they are minimum value. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ LPP either no solution or unique solution or not two solutions, infinitely many solution. Because if 2 points objective function z gives same value means not solution is not only those 2 points, solution ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, any point on the line segment joining the point 0,2 and 3,0. 0,2 ಮತ್ತು 3,0 ನ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ z ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 12 ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಇಫ್ LPP in a LPP at 2 points give same minimum or maximum value, then all points line joining those points give same maximum or minimum value. So solutions are infinitely many solutions. So answer is occurs corner points at 2 corner points. So it occurs at every point of line segment joining these 2 points. Next, integration. Integral of x square log x. Here x square is algebraic function, log x is logarithm function. Here two different functions, correct? To get the integral, here we must apply integration by parts. Here an integral by part, integral of x square log x dx. Integration by parts. So integration by parts ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ನಮ್ಮ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ logarithm function comes first, then algebraic function, correct? So this is a first function, this is second function. ಹೇಳಿ ಏನು, integral of first function formula. What is formula ಏನು? Integral of x square log x dx is, this is first function logarithm function, second function x square. So ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, first function into integral of second function minus integral of derivative of first function into integral of second function, correct? So this is integration by parts. First function into integral of second function minus integral of second function into derivative of first function, or minus integral of derivative of first function into integral of second function. So ಇದನ್ನ apply ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ integration by parts we get like this. Then on integrating we get x cube by 3 log x minus integral of derivative of log x 1 by x, integral of x square is x cube by 3 is equal to x cube by 3 log x minus 1 by 3 integral of x square is minus x cube by ಒಂದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ 3 ಇದೆ, x square x cube by 3, so 9 ಆಗ್ತದೆ integration, correct? Next, p of a 0.8 means probability of a 0.8, probability of b is 0.5 and probability of b given a is 0.4, then probability of a given b. So what is probability of a given b? Probability of a given b, probability of a given that b, this is conditional probability. Probability of a given that b means conditional probability of a given that b, or probability of a already occurred in b. So already b event ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ a ಗೆ ಫೇವರ್ ಆಗಿರುವ outcomes, ಅದರ probability of a given that b. Formula probability of, so probability of a given b is probability of a intersection b by probability of b. So ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಇದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. So ಇದನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ you have to find a intersection b, correct? Because a intersection b probability is not given. ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಲ್ಲೇ a probability of b and probability of b given a given. So ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಿಂದ Probability of B given A is equal to probability of B intersection A, nothing but A intersection B by probability of A. So E formula in the first find probability of this A intersection B. So idu give kottidare, then probability of A intersection B equal to P of A into P of B given A. So both are given. On substituting we get 0.32. ಈಗ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಿಂದ ಇದನ್ನು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ we get 0.32 by 0.5 is 0.64. So answer is C. Next question. Given two independent events A and B such that probability of A is 0.3, probability of B is 0.6, then P is neither A nor B. What is meant by neither A nor B? Probability of neither A nor B means not either, neither means probability of A dash, not A and not B, or A dash and ಮತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ intersection and B dash. Probability of neither A nor B means probability of A dash, not A and not B. So A dash intersection B dash. What is probability of A intersection? ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, two independent events A and B are two independent events. So ಇದೊಂದು ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. If A and B are independent events, if A and B are independent events, then A dash and B are independent, A and B dash are independent, A dash and B dash are independent events. If A and B are two independent events, then A and B dash are also independent, A dash and B are also independent, A dash B dash are also independent. What is the condition of independent? What is probability of when two events A and B are independent? Probability of A intersection B is equal to probability of A into probability of B. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೊ ಇದು ಇಂಡಿಪೆಂಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ probability of A dash A and B are independent, A dash B dash independent, then probability of A dash intersection B dash is probability of A dash into probability of B dash. So what is probability of A? 0.3. What is A dash? We know probability of P of A plus P of A dash is equal to 1. ಇದು 0.3 ಆದ್ರೆ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದರದ್ದು ನಾಟ್ ಎ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಸಮ್ ಇಸ್ 1, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 1 ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಸೊ 0.3. ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಈಗ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೆಯುತ್ತೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು ಬೇಡ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ P of A 0.3, then P of A dash is 0.7 and this is 0.6, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು 0.4. So answer is not 0.28. Correct. So already ನಾನು ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. So A and B are independent, then A dash and B dash are also independent, then probability of neither A nor B is P of A dash intersection B dash. For independent, P of this is equal to P of A dash into P of B dash. So substitute, we get the answer 0.28. Next, probability that A speaks truth is 4/5. A coin is tossed. A reports that head appears. The probability that actually there was head. So this question is there. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ probability third before starts with the third exercise, last worked example. Third exercise start ಆಗಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇತ್ತಿದು. So A speaks truth 4/5. So we can solve this question by Bayes theorem. So Bayes theorem ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನೋಡಿ, let E1 coin comes with head. So E1, E2 are two events. E1 means coins comes up with head, and E2 is coin comes up with tail, not head. So what is probability of E1? A coin tossed, head and tail occurs. Correct. Probability chances, equal chances. Probability of head occurs 1/2, tails also 1/2. So P of E1 is 1/2, P of E2 1/2. Let E, what is E? E is another event. Say A reports that head appear. What is probability of E given E1? Probability of, ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು. E1 plus E2 their sum must be one same ಅಲ್ಲ. P of E1 plus P of E2 must be 1 ಬರಬೇಕು. Let A reports that head appear. What is probability of E given E1? In probability of E given E1 means probability of head comes up and A speaks truth. Means P of E given E1 means probability of E means A reports head appear. Probability of A reports head appear given that coin comes up with head. ಸೊ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಹಾರಿಸ್ತೀರಿ, ಹೆಡ್ ಬೀಳ್ತದೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅವ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವ ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ, ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಡ್ ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಈಗ ಇವನ್ ಏನು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಆಗಿದೆ, ಯಾವ ಇವೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇವನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇವನ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಹೆಡ್. ದೆನ್ ಇ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ದಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಎ ರಿಪೋರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗಾಯ್ತು, ಅವ ಸತ್ಯ ಹೇಳ್ದಾಗ. ಎ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರೂತ್. ಅದೆಷ್ಟು ಅದು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು, ಎ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ಸ್ 4/5. ಸೊ 4/5. What is E given E2? Probability of tail comes up but A tell lie. ಅಂದ್ರೆ E given E2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ E2 ಆಗಿದೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಹಾರಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಟೈಲ್ ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಅವನು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ದಾನೆ, ಹೆಡ್ ಬಿದ್ದಿದೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವನು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳ್ದ, ನಾಟ್ ಈ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೂತ್. ಅವನು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿದ, ಈ ಟೆಲ್ ಎ ಲೈ, ಅವನು ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ದ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಅದರ ಪ್ರಾಬಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಬೇಕು ಇದು? ಸೊ 5ರಲ್ಲಿ 4 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಅವನು ಸತ್ಯ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು, ಸೊ 1 - 4/5 is 1/5. Then we want probability of E1 given E by Bayes theorem. Probability of E1 into probability of E given E1 by probability of E given E1 into probability of E1 plus probability of E given E2 into probability of E2. So substitute the values, we get answer is 4/5. ನೋಡಿ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟಲ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ E1 given E ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಇದ್ರ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಪ್ರೊಬಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ E given E1 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರೊಬಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ A reports head appears given that coins comes up with head. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಟ್ರೂ ಹೇಳ್ದ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೇನು, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೊಬಾಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ E given E? Probability of coins comes up with head given that A reports head. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಹಾರಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಹೆಡ್ ಬೀಳ್ತು, ಅವ ಹೆಡ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ದ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಅವನು ಹೇಳ್ದ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಈಗ ಯಾವುದೇ ಗೇಮಲ್ಲಿ ಟಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ ಮೊದಲು ಯಾವ್ದು ಹೆಡ್ ಟೈಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅವ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ದ ಹೆಡ್ ಬೀಳ್ತದಂದ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಯಿನ್ ಹಾರಿಸಿದಾಗ್ಲೂ ಹೆಡ್ ಬೀಳ್ತು. ಸೊ ಇದು ಏನಾಯ್ತು, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟ್ರೂತ್. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎ ಸ್ಪೀಕ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರೂತ್ ಅಂತ ಆಯ್ತು. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಇಷ್ಟೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ದೇನೆ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್. ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಬರೀಬಹುದು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ಲೇಬೇಕಂತಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿರುವ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೊಂದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ probability of E given E1 is equal to probability of E1 given E, same one. So answer 4/5. 44th answer is A. Next question. A bag contains 5 red and 3 blue balls. If 3 balls are drawn at random without replacement, then the probability of getting exactly 1 red ball. So here without a replacement, that is important. So how many balls are drawn? 3 balls, correct? 3 balls are drawn at a random. 3 balls drawn. So 3 ball ತೆಗಿತೀರಿ ವಿದೌಟ್ ರಿಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್. ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ ಯಾವುದು, probability of getting exactly 1 red ball. So we chosen 3 balls, we drawn 3 balls, but red ball comes only once. Hagadre what are the chances, what are the possibilities? So we drawn first ball, second ball, third ball. So red comes possibilities either in a first time or in a second ball is red or third ball is red. So here we have 3 possibilities. So let R be the red ball and B be the represents the red and blue balls. Then probability of getting exactly 1 red ball is like this. All are independent event. So probability of red ball, then probability of B, probability of B. Correct? So ಇಲ್ಲಿ probability of red ball ಅಂದ್ರೆ first ball red, second ball is blue, third ball is blue, or first ball is blue, second ball is red, third ball is by multiplication rule. Then next, first ball blue, second ball blue, but third times we get red ball. So three possibilities. Total, how many red balls? 5 red ball, 3 blue balls. We select 3 balls, correct? So probability of red ball, total ball, red ball 5. Total 5 plus 3, 5 red, 3 blue, correct? 5 red, 3 blue. So total ball 8. So 5 by 8. Probability of red ball is 5 by 8. 5 by 8 means idra meaning ಏನಲ್ಲ 8 ball 5 ball ತೆಗೆಯೋದಂತಲ್ಲ. So ಇದು probability of red ball is among 8 ball we select 1 ball, that is 8C1. ಅದು ಯಾವ ಬಾಲ್? that is red ball. red ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 5. 5 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ತೆಗೆಯೋದು? 1. 5C1. so what is 5C1? 5. what is 8C1? 8. so 5 by 8. what is probability of blue ball? so ಈಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಇರುವ ಬಾಲ್ ಎಷ್ಟು? 1 ಬಾಲ್ ಹೋಯ್ತು. because without replacement, not with replacement, without replacement. so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುವಾಗ ಈಗ 7 ಬಾಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು. second, come to second ball is drawn. so but second ball ನಾವು ಬ್ಲೂ ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ರೆಡ್ ಬಾಲ್ ಆಯ್ತು. so ಬ್ಲೂ ಬಾಲ್ ತೆಗೆದಾಗ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಬ್ಲೂ ಬಾಲ್ ಇರೋದು ಎಷ್ಟು? 3. 3C1 by 7C1, 3 by 2. next, second, third times again you have to draw from blue ball, not red. so we have left only 2 balls left out. we have remaining only 6 balls. among 6, 1 blue ball you have already drawn, you have remaining 2. so 2C1 by 6C1, that is 2 by 6. this is the first one. similarly second, probability of red ball 3 by probability of blue ball 3 by 8 into probability of red ball 5 by 7 into probability of blue 2 by 6. next, same probability of blue, total blue ball 3 balls, 3 by 8. probability of blue 2 by 7. probability of red 5 by 6, correct? so on simplifying we get 15 by 56. answer is C. next, maximum value of z equal to 5x plus 10y subject to the constraints. maximum value. Now here in the previous question corner points are given, but here corner points are not given. ಇಲ್ಲಿ corner points ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, but only inequalities are given. so find the maximum value. but here to get the maximum value no need to find the corner points. corner point ನಮ್ಮ ಈಗ ಇದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆನ್ಯುವಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾದ್ರೆ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, feasible region find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, corner. but here in this question to get the maximum value we no need to draw the graph or no need to find the corner point. ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ ಇದರ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬೇಕು. ಇದರ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಿಂದ ಬರೋದು? ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅಕರ್ಸ್ ಹೇಗದು? ಎಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? that maximum or minimum value occurs in the feasible region. that feasible region is the common region determined by all the constraints including non-negative constraints. so ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಈ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ x plus 2y less than equal to 120. ಇಲ್ಲಿ this is ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ by this inequality we can get objective function z. multiply by 5 we get 5x plus 10y less than equal to 600. this is z. so z is less than equal to 600 means maximum value of is z is 600, correct? ಈ ರೀತಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಅದೇ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಅವಾಗ ಆ ಮೆಥಡ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೇಳೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ಒಂದು ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ first inequality we can get the by multiplying here 5 we can get objective function z. so z is less than equal to 600. so maximum value of z is 600. next question. now we will discuss first PUC questions. in the first PUC we can expect 20%, means 14 to 50, maximum 15 questions. but second PUC ಗೆ weightage ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. CET ಗೆ ನೀವು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ PUC weightage ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗೆ in relation function 3 plus 1 1 from first PUC, 3 questions from second PUC, inverse trigonometry 2 questions, matrix 3 questions, determinants 4 questions, next differentiation 4 question, application of differentiation 4 questions, and from vector 4 questions, 3-dimensional 4 questions, next probability 4 questions, and in integration indefinite 2, definite 2, and 3-dimensional 2, next 2 or 3, next not sorry 3-dimensional, next in application of integration 2 questions, a differential equation 2 questions, 2 or 3 varies, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ change ಆಗಬಹುದು. So 45 questions ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಿ ಯು ಸಿ ಇಂದ, 15 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಇಂದ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವೇರಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಿ ಯು ಸಿಗೆ ನೀವು ವೇಟೇಜ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಿ ಯು ಸಿ. ಇಫ್ ಟೂ ಸೆಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿ ಹಾವ್ 16 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕಾಮನ್ between them, the number of elements common each of the sets A cross B and B cross A. So we know n of A cross B, correct? Here ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗ n of A intersection B 16 elements. Similarly B intersection E. So n of A intersection B is equal to n of B intersection A, correct? So here A intersection B is 16, B intersection A 16 elements. Then n of A cross B intersection B cross A, this is equal to n of A cross B cross B cross A. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ A cross B ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ A and B have 16 elements common. So A intersection B, B intersection 16 elements. Then n of A cross B intersection B cross A, we want this, ಇದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು ನಮಗೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ A cross B ಮತ್ತು B cross A ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕಾಮನ್? ಸೊ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಬೈ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ n of A intersection B cross B intersection A. What is n of A cross B? N of A into n of B. So n of A intersection B cross B intersection A equal to n of A intersection B cross n of B intersection A, or 16 into 16, 16 square. So 2 to the power 4 whole square, or 2 to the power 8. So answer is B. Next question, the domain and range of the function f given by. So we know domain. So already ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು, in the function y equal to f of x, set of values of x domain set is by the function or defined by the function. x ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೆಲ್ಲ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಅದು ಡೊಮೈನ್. and range is set of values of f of x. Range nothing but is the interval containing minimum and maximum value of the function. ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ಡೊಮೈನ್ ರೇಂಜ್ ವಿ ಡೀಲ್ಸ್ ವಿತ್ ಇನ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಗ್ತದ ಅಥವಾ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ 2 ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 5. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿ ಇದನ್ನ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೇಂಜ್, ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಈಗ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ 2 ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 5. ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಈಗ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ವಿ ನೋ modular function is defined everywhere. The entire real number modular function is defined. So for all real values of x, modulus of x minus y is greater than equal to 0. Avagi minus of modulus of x minus y becomes less than equal to 0. Idu minus less than equal to 0 ಆಗ್ತದೆ. So ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 2 add ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 2 minus modulus of x minus y less than equal to 2, or f of x is less than equal to 2. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು x ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕಿ modulus of x minus y is real, then 2 minus modulus of x minus y is also real. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಗೆ ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಇದೆ. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಂಟೈರ್ ರಿಯಲ್ ನಂಬರ್. ರೇಂಜ್ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ, ರೇಂಜ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ನಿನ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮಮ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮಿನಿಮಮ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ನೋ ರೇಂಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದು ಮಾಡ್ಯುಲರ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದನ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದು ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 2 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2. ಸೊ ರೇಂಜ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಸ್ ದನ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿ ಟು 2 is included. This is range of the function. So next, so domain and range, answer is B, correct? So domain is entire real number, range is minus infinity to 2. Next question, the number of solutions. So e equation ಗೆ 0 to 2 pi, 0 to 2 pi means in one rotation 0 to 2 pi ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ equation ಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು solution ಇದೆ, solution ಅಂದ್ರೆ theta value ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ, use the trigonometric formula. What is cos 2 theta? Cos 2 theta is equal to sin theta. So what is cos 2 theta formula? This is a right hand side ಅಲ್ಲಿ sin function ಇದೆ, right? Cos 2 theta formula cos 2x, cos square x minus sin square x, 2 cos square x minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square x, 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. So use in terms of sin function, 1 minus 2 sin square theta minus sin equal to 0. So cos 2 theta 1 minus 2 sin square theta, bring sin theta to left hand side equal to right hand side 0. Then 2 sin square multiply by minus 1, we get 2 sin square theta plus sin theta minus 1 equal to 0. Or this is quadratic equation in sin. Then simplify, factorizing, then write sin theta. Product is, find two number, product is 2 into minus 1, minus 2, and sum is 1. So numbers are 2 and minus 1. So 2 sin square theta, then sin theta can be written as 2 sin theta minus sin theta. So minus 1, correct? So 2 sin square theta plus 2 sin theta minus sin theta minus 1. We can write 2 sin theta like this. Then this is one group, this is another group. Here 2 sin theta common, remaining sin theta plus 1. Here minus 1 common, sin theta plus 1 equal to 0. So sin theta is equal to, then this is sin theta plus 1 equal to 0, or 2 sin theta plus 1 common, correct? Then sin theta plus 1 is, sin theta plus 1 is common, remaining is 2 sin theta minus 1 equal to 0. Either product of two factors 0 means either first factor 0 or 2 sin theta minus 1 equal to 0, second factor 0. So sin theta is equal to minus 1, sin theta is equal to minus 1, or 2 sin theta is equal to 1, or sin theta is equal to half. Sin theta minus 1 ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲಿ, this is quadrant angle, correct? Sin pi by 2 is 1, sin 3 pi by 2 is minus 1. In 0 to 2 pi, this equation only one value, because this is quadrant angle. We know in one rotation each either positive or negative two values, correct? So one complete rotation ಅಲ್ಲಿ each trigonometric function have two values. ನೀವು ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಎರಡು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದೇ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ವಾಡ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ sin theta is equal to 2 sin theta is equal to 1 or sin theta is equal to half. Sin function ಎಲ್ಲ half 30 degree, sin function positive. So either in first quadrant or in second quadrant. So sin theta is equal to either half for theta either 30 degree. First principal solution ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲ, principal value ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ. So sin theta is equal to pi by 6, first quadrant either 30 degree or 180 minus 30, not 90 plus, 180 minus 30, second quadrant, that is pi minus pi by 6, 180 minus 30, 150, 5 pi by 6. So here we get two equations, one is this, another one is this. Here one for theta one value, here two value. So 0 to 2 pi, that equation having three values. So answer C. Next question, the value of 1 minus tan square 15 degree by 1 plus tan square 15 degree is. So this is very simple question. ನೋಡಿ ಇದು is already one formula. ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, tan 15 degree value ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಿ. So here we no need to find the 15 degree value, tan 15 degree value. So this is already one formula. In previous question I explained, correct? Previous question ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಒಂದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ ನಾನು, ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ cos 2x ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ. This is of the form cos 2x formula, cos square x minus sin square x, 2 cos square x minus 1, or 1 minus 2 sin square x, or 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x. This is one of the formula of cos 2x. X is 15 degree. So this is cos 30 degree. What is cos 30 degree? Root 3 by 2. ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 15 degree tan 15 ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹಾಕ್ತೀರಿ. ಸೊ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೊಳ್ತದೆ. So this is very easy. So answer is C. Next question. The value of, so this is very simple question. I to the power I. What is I? We know I equal to root minus 1. So illi I to the power 2021 can be written as I to the power 2021 is I to the power 2020 plus 1, correct? By indices law, a to the power m plus n is, this is the formula of a power m into a power n. So a power m into a power n is a power m plus n. This is I to the power 2021 can be written as like this. Hagadre idunu I to the power 2022 is I to the power 2020 into I to the power 2 I square. On 2023 can be written as I to the power 2020 plus 3 by this formula I to the power 2020 into I to the power I cube. Next I to the power 2020 common, remaining here 1, here I square. We know I is root minus 1. What is I square? Minus 1. What is I cube? Minus I. So answer 0. Next question. Modulus of x minus 2 greater than equal to 1 less than equal to 3, then x belongs to. So this inequality. Correct? Inequality question. Modulus of x minus 2 greater than equal to 1 less than equal to 3, then x belongs to x value ಎಲ್ಲಿ? So range of ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ನಮಗೆ x ನ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬೇಕು ನೋಡಿ. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ we have modulus of x minus 2 greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to 3. Then x minus 2 is, ಇದನ್ನ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಓದೋದು ಹೇಗೆ? ಇದನ್ನ read as modulus of x minus 2 greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to 3. So modulus of x minus 2 is either greater than equal to 1 and modulus of x minus 2 is less than equal or ಅಲ್ಲ and. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದು? ಈಗ ಇದು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. Modulus of x less than equal to a or x square is less than equal to a square. This implies, for inequality, this is here two important results. Modulus of x less than equal to a or x square is less than equal to a square implies either x is greater than equal to minus a. For both same, x is greater than equal to minus a or less than equal to a. That means x belongs to closed interval minus a to a. If equal is there, suppose if here strict inequality, you have to take open interval. This is slack inequality, you have to take closed interval. End points are included. And for second one, modulus of x is greater than equal to a or x square is greater than equal to a square. This implies, so inequality ಅಲ್ಲಿ, while solving inequality problems are also getting the domain and range. These two concepts are very important. So modulus of x greater than equal to a or x square is greater than equal to a square. Here x square and modulus of x have same characteristics. Both are positive, correct? So modulus of x greater than equal to a or x square is greater than equal to a square. This implies either x is greater than equal to a, not and, or x is less than equal to minus a. That means x belongs to minus infinity to minus a union a to infinity. For first one, so here in this line, here this is minus a, this is a. For first one, minus a to a, here in first one x value minus a to a illindi illige. And for second one, modulus of x greater than equal to a means either x is greater than equal to a or x is less than equal to minus a. Just like in sine and cosecant function, what is the range of sine x? Sine x is greater than equal to minus 1 less than equal to 1. What is the range of cosecant x? It's a reciprocal in the entire real number. It's a reciprocal. What is the range of cosecant x? Is greater than equal to 1 or cosecant x is less than equal to minus 1, like this. So ಈಗ modulus of x minus 2 greater than equal to 1 means by first one x minus 2 is this is x minus 2 modulus greater than equal to 1 means by second one is x minus 2 either less than equal to minus 1 or x minus 2 is greater than equal to 1. And for second one, modulus of x minus 2 less than equal to 3 means by first one x minus 2 is greater than equal to minus 3 less than equal to. So idu first one inda idu second one inda. Correct? Next ಇದನ್ನು simplify ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ x is less than equal to 1 or x is greater than equal to 3 and ಇಲ್ಲಿ adding 2 in the inequality add 2 we get x is greater than equal to minus 1 and less than equal to 5. So here x less than equal to 1 or x greater than equal to 3 means x belongs to minus infinity 1 union 3 to infinity. Here x belongs to, this is by first one, this is by second one. Combining the solution of two inequalities we get idಎರಡನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಈಗ 0. So this is minus 1, correct? And this is 1 and this is 3, this is 5. ಈಗ first one ಗೆ minus infinity to 1, minus infinity to 1 or 3 to infinity, 3 to infinity. This is for this. And for second one minus 1 to 5, minus 1 to 5. ಈಗ ಹೇಳಿ ಇದೆರಡನ್ನು ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಕಾಮನ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಕಾಮನ್ ರೀಜನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು this is common region, this is common region, correct? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಇದೆರಡು ಕ್ಲಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಈ ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿಗೆ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗುವ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ minus 1 to 1 ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ minus 1 ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ minus 1 to 1 ಯೂನಿಯನ್ 3 to infinity, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಸೊ ಇದು ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇದು, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಕಾಮನ್ ರೀಜನ್, ಎರಡು ಇನ್ಇಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಇದು ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಎರಡನ್ನೂ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದು ಕಾಮನ್ ರೀಜನ್, ಇದು ಕಾಮನ್ ರೀಜನ್. ಸೊ combining these two solutions of two inequalities we have given inequality. In given inequality satisfy value of x belongs to yavudalla closed interval minus 1 to 1 union, not plus, union 3 to infinity. So answer is B. Next, total number of words formed by 2 vowels and 3 consonants taken from 4 vowels. So first what, among 4 vowels we have to choose 2 vowels. That can be done in how many ways? 4C2 ways. Among 5 consonants choose 3 consonants. That can be done in 3 vowels. So 4C2, 5C3. So this complete? No. Here we have selected among 4 vowels we have chosen 2, among 5 consonants we have chosen 3. So we have selected only 2 plus 3, 5 letters, correct? 5 letters. But we need, ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ, total number of, we make a word, total number of words by 2 vowels and 3. We have chosen only 2 vowels, 3. Then to make a word we have to arrange among themselves. Here 2 distinct vowels, here 3 distinct consonants. So taken these 5 letters, distinct letters, arranged among themselves in, so by permutation, this is by combination, by permutation 5 letters, 5 distinct letters taken 5. So these 5 letters arranged among themselves in 5p5, nothing but, so 4c2 into 5c3 into 5 factorial ways. So ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ಅದನ್ನ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. To get a word, to make a word, first select, then arrange among themselves. So total number of words is 6 into 10 into 120. This is 720. We know what is 4C2, 4P2, 4 into 3 divided by 2 factorial. This is 5C3, nothing but 5C2, 5 into 4 by 2 into 5 factorial. On simplifying we get 7020. 200. Next question. If arithmetic mean and geometric mean two positive numbers are, we know what is arithmetic mean of two positive numbers a and b, a plus b by 2. What is the geometric mean? Root ab. So here a plus b by 2 is 10, a plus b is 20. What is the geometric mean? Root ab is equal to 8 or ab equal to 6. Illa naniga solve ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ. We no need to solve. Just ನೋಡಿ, find two numbers. Their sum is 20 and their product is 64. Choose the option. Check the sub options. You see it is solve ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಕೂತ್ರು, ನಾನಿಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. Solve, you don't need to solve. Check the alternative options. Product 20, product 64, sum 20. So numbers are ಯಾವ್ದಾಗಬೇಕಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 4 and 16. Maybe A4 or B4. Correct? So 4 16 ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, 16 4 ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. So answer is ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರ answer? So both A and B. Correct? So next question. Slope of a line which cuts off intercepts of equal length of the axis. So intercept form ಏನು ಹೇಳಿ? X by A plus Y by B. Correct? X by A plus Y by B equal to 1. But equal intercepts ಅಂದಾಗ A equal to B. So equation X by A plus Y by B is equal to 1. But equal intercepts. So equal intercepts ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ correct? Cuts off intercepts of equal length means equal intercepts both on X and Y axis. So ಅವಾಗ X by A plus Y by A is equal to 1 or X plus Y equal to A. So this equation, its slope is, what is the slope of this line? Minus of coefficient of X by coefficient. Correct? Slope is minus of coefficient of X by coefficient of Y. What is coefficient of X? 1. What is coefficient of Y? 1. So answer minus 1 by 1. So 55th answer minus 1 A. Next, the length of the foot of the perpendicular drawn from the point 3, 4, 5 on Y axis. We know what is the coordinate of any point on Y axis. Coordinate of any point on Y axis is 0, Y, 0. Correct? So Y is 0. Coordinates of a point on Y axis drawn perpendicular to 3, 4, 5 is 0, 4, 0. Correct? So idu Y axis alliro point. Then coordinates of any point on Y axis drawn perpendicular from 3, 4, e point in the Y axis ಗೆ perpendicular ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ its coordinate is 0, 4, 0. Then we want length PQ using distance formula, root of x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 square plus z2 minus z1 square. We get answer root 34. Answer is B. Next question. Limit of x tends to pi sin x by x minus pi. So put x equal to p, we get denominator x minus pi becomes 0. Sin pi, numerator 0, 0, denominator 0. So 0 by 0 form. But 0 by 0 is indeterminate form. Hige 0 by 0 form andre you can get the limit. But illi namma general method beda, use better L hospital rule. So L hospital rule use ಮಾಡಿ. By L hospital rule, if it when x equal to pi 0 by in L hospital rule, so limit of f of x by g of x as x tends to a, here f of a by g of a is goes to 0 by 0 form. Then limit x tends to a, so put the value, well, put substituting the value, if it goes to 0 by 0 form, then limit x tends to a, differentiate numerator and denominator separately, not by quotient rule, numerator denominator separate, that is L hospital rule. So it differentiate, then put the value, then f dash of a by g dash of a. Suppose if f dash of by g dash of a is a definite value, this is not 0 by 0 form, that is that real value is limit of the function. Suppose if it goes to 0 by 0 form, again differentiate numerator and denominator separately. But ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನೋಡಿ, ಈಗ ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಸಲ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, not by quotient rule, differentiate numerator, here x equal to pi 0 by 0, by L hospital rule differentiate numerator denominator separately. ಲಿಮಿಟಿನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಈ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ವೆರಿ ಈಸಿ. So differentiate numerator and denominator separately. So numerator derivative cos x sin idu, denominator x1 pi 0. Then put the value. Idu 1 numerator cos pi, cos n pi is plus or minus 1. When n is 1, when n is even, cos pi is cos n pi. In cos n pi, when n is even, cos n pi is 1. When n is odd, cos n pi is minus 1. Cos 2 pi, 4 pi, 6 pi, etc. Cos of even multiples of pi 1, cos of odd multiples of pi is minus 1. So cos pi is minus 1. ಈ ರೀತಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ರೂಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಸೊ 57th ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, the mean of first n plus 1 natural numbers. We know what is mean. Mean formula x bar is equal to sigma xi, sum of the observations divided by number of observations. Correct? So mean is sigma xi by n, number of observations. So namgiga sum of the mean of first n natural numbers alla n plus 1 natural numbers. We know what is sigma n formula, n into n plus 1 by 2. What is sigma n plus 1 formula, n plus 1 into n plus 1 plus 1 by 2. So ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ the sum of first n natural numbers, so sum of first n plus 1 natural numbers, n plus 1 into n plus 1 by 2. Then mean is sigma, correct? Mean ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ formula, sigma n plus 1 by number of observation is n plus 1. So what is sigma n plus 1? Divided by n plus 1. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಬರ್ತದೆ. So answer n plus 1 cancel ಆಯ್ತು. This is the mean of the function. So 58th answer n plus 2 by 2. So A. Next question. The probability that at least one of the events A and B occurs is, so 0.6. If A and B are occurs simultaneously with a probability 0.2, then P of A dash plus P of B dash. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನು, the probability at least one of the events A and B 0.6. That means at least one of A means A or B, A union B. A and B are occur simultaneously 0.2. A ಮತ್ತು B simultaneously occurs means their intersection given. So A union B is 0.6, A intersection B 0.2. By formula, what is probability of A union B? P of A plus P of B minus P of A intersection B. But we want not P of A, P of B, P of A dash and P of B dash. So what is P of A? 1 minus P of B dash. What is P of B? 1 minus P of B dash minus P of A intersection B. Substitute the values. This is 0.6. A intersection B is 0.2. 1 minus P of A dash, 1 minus P of B. Bring P of A dash and P of B dash left hand side and 0.6 to right hand side. On simplifying, we get P of A dash plus P of B dash is equal to 2 minus 0.2 minus 0.6, 2 minus 0.8. So answer is 1.2. So 59th answer C. Next, the total number of terms in the expansion of x plus a whole to the power 2023 minus x minus a whole to the power 2023 after simplification. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲವು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಕೆಲವು ಐದರ್ ಈವನ್ ಪವರ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಡ್ ಪವರ್ಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಹೋಲ್ ಟು ದ ಪವರ್ 2023. ಸೊ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಟು ದ ಪವರ್ ಎನ್, ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ ದ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಎನ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್? 2024 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಆ 2024 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಸೊ ಇದರ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಷನ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ? ಇದ್ರದ್ದು ಸೇಮ್ ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪಾನ್ಷನ್, ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಎ ಬೈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ. ಎ ಇರುವಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪವರ್ ಎ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಇನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎ ಹೋಲ್ ಟು ದ ಪವರ್ 2023 minus x minus a whole to the power 2023. Here n is odd, total number of terms is the formula n plus 1 by 2, that is 2023 plus 1 by 2. So answer is 1012. So 60th answer D. So okay, good luck for coming CET. So ಇನ್ನು ತುಂಬಾ ಟೈಮ್ ಇದೆ, ಓದಿ. ಇದೊಂದು 15 ಡೇಸ್ ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು 20 ಡೇಸ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ತುಂಬಾ CET ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೀವು ನೀವೇ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನೀವೇ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲರ್ ಬುಕ್ ಅನ್ನು ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಸಿನಾಪ್ಸಿಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಲ್ತ್ಕೊಂಡು. ಸೊ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಗುಡ್ ಲಕ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ CET exams and also in future.